video on looking right, looking left, just for fun. You go take your dog for a walk, so every time you cross the road, you make them look right and look left. I'm doing this video for someone that asked me to show how I would teach that. So here we are, and let's have fun. So what it looks like is Maya. So Maya knows it. So here, good, step right, look left, look right, look left. They can also go ahead. Stay, look right, yes, look left, look right, look left, yes, look right, look left, yes, look right, yes, look left, yes, look right. So I'm going to work with Juicy today. She doesn't know that trick, Maya does. Is you're going to have treats. You're going to have treats on both sides. Down. Look right. Yes. Look left. Yes. Look right. Look left. Yes. Look right. Look right. Yes. Yes. Look right. You're going to put your treat right there. Yes. Reward. Left. Yes. Make sure they stay right there though, okay? So treat in each hand. Right. Yes. Left. When you turn your head is when they turn their head, okay? You can also try with touch. If your dog knows touch, you can go touch. Yes. Good girl. Look left. Yes. Right. Left. Right. Right. Yes. Left. Yes. Right. Left. Yes. Right. Yes. Left. Yes. Right. Yes. Left. And now she did it by herself with no hand. Left. And all it is your dog gets to learn the word right, left. When they look that way, they got a reward. You can try with your hand. No treats, okay? You still can give a treats afterwards, but you can go right, yes, left, yes, right, yes, left, yes. So you can try with your stool. Yes, right, yes. Yeah, good. Look left, yes. Good girl. Look right, yes. Look left. Yes. Okay, so if you have two dogs, let me see. Let's try something. Yes. Stay. Good girl. Okay. So you can try, have them this way. Your reward. Yes. Juicy, look right. Yes. Look right. Yes. Good. So you can try both dogs. Under. Good. Yes. Look right. Look left. Yeah! Okay. Look right. Yes. Yes. Look right. Yes. Look left. Yes. Go under. Yes. Look right. Yes. Look left. Yes. Look right. Yes. Look left. How would you switch that to beside you, look right, look left? Same idea. You can use the stool. Look left, yes. Look right, yes. Left, yes. Right, yes. Yes. So use your touch, okay. Right, yes. Left, yes. Right. That was your look left and you look right. I hope that helped. And if there's another trick you'd like me to show you, I can do a video on how to teach it. All right? Have yourself a good day. Please stay safe. I do some tutorials, I do some frisbee tricks, and also classes. There's so many things your dogs can learn. Talk Trick Heaven is about dogs having fun and you having fun with them. Something to do, teach them more than just sit and a puppy. You teach the basics, all the basics. It doesn't take that long. They actually can learn so much more at a young age. And then what you do is you add on. You add on tricks, you add on obedience, you add on distance, distractions. You work on all that. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks for watching. And if you have any comments or any requests, let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.